things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try on this Updo braided wig. I've actually introduced this style to you before in different colors. I'll put the link for the different colors in the description box down below, just in case you're interested in black, in burgundy, 1900 to 30. And so this is how it looks. This is one gray, as you can see, or salt and pepper. So I make these wigs in different sizes. Just always select your correct size and make them in small, medium and large. My head is medium, that is like 22.5, which is medium.
Pick yourself up off the ground until you get lost. You'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down.
So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's a very simple style to wear. And actually no one can tell that it's a wig.
They say, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep up, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. Start again.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love this style. Just check the description box down below for more details on how to order. See you in my next video. Bye.